their speech. Everyone wants to communicate in English. Everyone wants to know that how we can improve our speech style, how we can improve our pronunciation, how we can speak just like native speakers, right? So I think yeah, this was the major concerns, and these were all the things that we have dealt in online batch 1. Now today, actually, this online session is particularly based on English grammar session, which is going to be online batch 2. But before I introduce the key points of this batch 2, I want all of my attendees, the people who have joined this session. I can see your name list in the list bar. You just let me know, like, introduce yourself. I would love to have your introduction. मैं आप लोगों का introduction जानना चाहूंगी. Okay, introduce yourselves to me, including your qualification and your backgrounds, educational backgrounds, etc., and the cities from where you belong actually. Okay, yes, please introduce yourselves one by one so that I can, read out your messages. Yes, girls, please. I can see your messages. I can read out your messages. Just text me in the chat box so that I can have an idea that who is with us today. Please. Okay, we are having Kiran Razak from Haripur, and she has done masters in biochemistry. That's great. Thank you very much, Kiran. You are, an enrolled student. Kiran has taken admission. She is one of my students. Welcome, Kiran, and thank you very much for introducing yourself. Okay, who else is with us? We have six other members. Yes, please. Who is the next one? Okay, we have Miss Sandali with us. She's one of my very good and competent students. She has been with me and since batch 1. She's one of the students from English spoken courses. So thank you very much, Miss Sandali, for joining us once again. I welcome you. Yes, you are actually indeed. This is what I'm telling the other members. And thank you very much. Okay, who else is with us today? और कौन है हमारे साथ? Ikra Shahid from Islamabad, and she has done masters in mathematics. That's great, Ikra. I welcome you in online English, grammar batch too. Thank you very much for joining us. Mathematics is such a tough subject that I always used to run from mathematics. But at the same time, definitely, if you have an interest, अगर आपका interest है तो you can do in a very good manner. So I appreciate that you have joined today's session. Thank you very much. Okay. Who else is with us after Ikra Shahid? All right. We have, who is the next member? Who do we have? All right. We have Miss Rimsha from Lahore. That's great. It's really nice to, have you, Rimsha. Thank you very much for joining us from such a, far-flung city, Lahore. That's great. Thank you very much. And what about your education? Would you please like to introduce yourself, your academic background? Yes, Rimsha, please. That's great. You have done all right. Sabah Mukhtar, we do have from Sargoda, and she has done masters in zoology and masters in education, double masters. That's superb, Sabah. Very well done. Excellent job. And thank you very much for joining us in today's session. And I welcome you in our, online English grammar batch too. Thank you very much. Okay, who else do we have with us, please? Okay, Rimsha. I think Rimsha were left. She was about to tell us about her academic background. Yes, Rimsha, would you please like to tell us about your academic background? Okay, let me tell you, Sabah. You know, my father used to he has background from army. Uh, he probably lived in Sargodha for 4 to 5 years. So we do have a sort of attachment with Sargodha, particularly. Okay, ji. Rimsha. Okay, Rimsha. She has done bachelor's degree in mathematics. That's superb, Rimsha. Very well done. That's great. Okay, next we have okay, Fatima. Okay, welcome Fatima. I know Fatima very well. She's doing job in the same college where I am teaching. So she has done bachelor's in mathematics from Air University, Islamabad. Okay, Fatima, thank you so much for joining us today, for making show your presence in today's session. Okay, is there anyone who is left to introduce his or himself? Yes, please. Is there anyone else, or are all done? Okay. Just let me know. Just let me know that should we start? Should we start, or is there anyone who is left who has not yet introduced? Okay, Sabah Mukhtar class. Okay, Sabah. Okay, okay. I'm going to tell you. We are going to have classes 6 days a week, right? Because we have to wind up this course within 1 month. Definitely, grammar is a quite tricky subject. It's a technical subject actually, just like mathematics. It's a science of language. So we are going to have 6 days a week, right? And Sundays will be off, and your class will be comprising of 1 hour only, not more than 1 hour, from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Only 1 hour. Fine. Okay, Sadia Sagir. Yes, Sadia, please introduce yourself, dear. That this is, why I'm asking you people. Yes, Sadia, please introduce yourself, dear, so that we can move on to the purpose of the day. Hello, Sadia. Can you hear me? Please introduce yourself. Okay, that's great, Sadia. It's really nice to know that you are doing a BS Biotechnology from Islamic University. Congratulations, Sadia. I'm really very happy to know. Let me to tell you, audience, Sadia is my students, one of my students from FSC. I have taught Sadia in FSC, so she's doing biotechnology from Islamic University. That's really, a kind of privilege for a teacher to know that her students or his students are doing something great in their future or in their career. So thank you very much. Do we have anyone else? The people who have just joined, so please, is there anyone who wants to introduce? I think another person has just recently joined. We have, let me see who is with. We have Ammar Mustafa. Yes, please, would you please introduce yourself? Yes, Sir Ammar Mustafa, would you please like to introduce yourself so that we can have an idea that who is with us today? Move towards the basic, purpose of the day, that why we people have gathered over here, why have I, called you people to attend this class. Actually, today's purpose is to definitely present a kind of introduction to you people about online English grammar batch 2, right? As you know that English language has become a need of the time, right? In present world, या आप देखते हैं कि present time में English language has become a need. Why? इसकी ज़रूरत क्यों हमें पेश आती है? Why हम ये कहते हैं कि English ही important है? Why not Urdu? Why not other languages like Punjabi, Pashto, Balochi? Why? What's the reason behind this? Let me tell you a very, very basic reason जो कि normally हम लोगों को नहीं पता होती. So, the reason is actually English is not just one language. It is basically a mixture of different languages. It has many words from Italian language. It has many words from French language. It has many words from German language actually. तो बहुत सी language के इम्तिजाज को English language कहते हैं. And English language has become the need of time because इट हैज़ गॉट द स्टेटस ऑफ इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज। आप किसी भी कंट्री में जाते हैं, आप कहीं भी ट्रेवल करते हैं, आप कहीं भी मूव करते हैं फॉर योर एकेडमिक पर्पस, सो इंग्लिश इज द लैंग्वेज दैट यू नीड टू लर्न एक्चुअली। आप इसको हमारी, आई डोंट नो कि इसको हमारी लाइक वो कहना चाहिए कि हमारी लाइक एक सॉर्ट ऑफ है कि हम इसको सफ़र भी करते हैं बाज़ कि हमें क्यों आनी चाहिए, जबकि हम अपने सब्जेक्ट्स में लाइक अगर आप लोग फिजिक्स के स्टूडेंट्स हैं या आप लोग केमिस्ट्री के हैं या बायो के हैं या मैथमेटिक्स के हैं, तो आपको लगता है कि मैथमेटिक्स तो हमें इतनी अच्छी कमांड है, बट इफ़ यू पीपल cannot communicate in English language, the other person will judge you probably internationally that इसको कुछ नहीं आता, जबकि ये बिल्कुल रॉन्ग परसेप्शन है. आई कंप्लीटली डिसएग्री विद दैट, बट द थिंग इज we have to compete them. We don't have to present such excuses that we cannot speak English, but we just have to prove ourselves that no problem, we can learn English language. और आपको पता है कि our prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he also emphasized on learning new languages. उन्होंने फोकस किया था कि आप जितनी languages को learn करेंगे, that is a pretty good thing, or it is proven through a scientific research as well, that if you learn more than 2 or 3 languages, it is going to increase or enhance your IQ level. तो आपका जो IQ level है वो भी improve होता है, और आपका जो definitely learning exposure है वो भी बढ़ता है. Right now, coming towards the main essentials of this batch actually, जो कि online English grammar batch 2 है, उसमें हम basically देखेंगे क्या, being a teacher मेरा major focus किस चीज़ पे होगा कि आप लोगों को, मेरी audience definitely अगर different subjects का background रखती है, वो mathematics है, physics है, chemistry है, तो being an English teacher, I don't just have to focus on this, students who have a background of English. No, I actually have to keep those areas in mind, that I know that my students, they do have different backgrounds, and what do they need? They need a foundation, they need a basic guideline actually, right? So in this course, we'll be taking a very primary step to follow. First of all, we will be looking into parts of speech. Being like a teacher, I will let you know that what are actually parts of speech, what is English language actually, right? Like, why do we so much why are we so much concerned about English language? So I'll let you know that what are parts of speech. जैसे कि उर्दू लैंग्वेज में एक सेंटेंस होता है, तो उसमें हम देखते हैं कि सेंटेंस में आपका सब्जेक्ट भी है, आपका वर्ब भी है जो आप एक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं, और जिस टॉपिक के बारे में बात करते हैं वो ऑब्जेक्ट भी है आपके पास. सो इज द केस विद इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. वी विल स्टडी अबाउट पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच, then we will move towards tenses, which is a very integral part of English language. English language पे हमें tenses पे focus करने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है. As far as अगर मेरी audience में कोई parents हैं, कोई teachers हैं, so it is going to be very much beneficial for them that they will be able to teach those tenses to their students as well, right? Then we are going to have our narrations. Let me tell you that what does it mean by narration. Narration का मतलब क्या है? Actually narration is something, आप कहते हैं ना कि हमने ये story narrate की है, हम ये वाला event narrate कर रहे हैं. So narration means to describe something into your own words, right? So in this grammar batch, definitely you people will be taught about the main central idea of narration, that how you can write your thoughts, right? How you can give words to your thinking, right? For example, if you are thinking something and you are not able to write just because you lack in language writing skills, then definitely in this course you are going to equip yourselves with the required knowledge. आपको बताया जाएगा that how you can write, how you have to write. You will be taught about different techniques. आपको बहुत सारी techniques सिखाई जाएंगी, जिसके बाद आप written expression को comprehend करने के काबिल होंगे. Okay, then comes about voices. आपने voices के बारे में तो सुना होगा. Yes, audience, do you know what does it mean by voices? How many of you know about voices? Please let me know. Yes, please. How many of you know about voices? What are voices actually? Yes, audience, I
Voices
just
are
want...
expressions, ma'am. Emotions.
Okay.
Expressions.
All right. Okay. Good. Ikra Shahid, active and passive. Excellent, Ikra. Very good. Very good. Active and passive. It is basically voices can be active and they can be passive. Okay. Rightly quoted by Ikra and Miss Sindalib as well, that you express your ideas through active way and through passive way, right? For example, if Ikra says one thing and Miss Sindalib is going to quote that thing into a passive manner, so that means that active participant is Ikra and passive one is Miss Sindalib, right? So we will learn students, हम देखेंगे कि लैंग्वेज में आप स्पीच में किस तरह से एक एक्टिव चीज को आप पैसिव में किस तरह से कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे आप सोच रहे होंगे दैट व्हाई इज इट सो इम्पोर्टेंट, हमें एक्टिव पैसिव सीखने की क्या जरूरत है? बट एक्चुअली जरूरत आपको तब आती है वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू अपीयर सम कंपेटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन, ठीक है? आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप नॉर्मली ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग बैचलर्स करने के बाद वी जस्ट वांट टू अपीयर फॉर अ कंपेटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन, चाहे वो CSS का हो या आपका PPSC का हो, FPSC का हो, तो इंग्लिश में उसका जो पेपर में एक पर्टिकुलर पोर्शन होता है which is completely based on English language, right? So you do have narrations, you do have voices, active and passive voices, you do have grammar portion, you do have tenses portion. So students, until and unless you attempt that portion, you cannot score good marks and you cannot qualify that particular exam, because on national level even it has become a need of time कि आपने English को pass कर. It is not something our choice, but it is actually has become our need, right? क्यों इंग्लिश को फोकस किया जाता है? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग दैट इट हैज बिकम आवर नीड, राइट? सो इंस्टेड ऑफ, आई थिंक, बीइंग अ टीचर, मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स से भी यही कहती हूँ, उनको यही गाइड करती हूँ, इंस्टेड ऑफ रनिंग फ्रॉम द थिंग्स, just try to face the things and just try to accept your fears. हमारा ये fear है ना, believe you me, when I was in the college, it was my passion to learn English language, but I used to fear this language a lot because I had an idea that whenever I'm going to speak up, definitely I'm going to make a lot of mistakes, and what people will say, they will make fun of me, and definitely I will be mocked in the crowd, और लोग मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे. But the moment जिंदगी में आपका एक ऐसा टाइम आता है when you start learning the things, right? कोई भी इंसान, nobody is perfect, definitely we all are going through learning stages. आप जब सीखेंगे, इंशाल्लाह, I assure you that you can do a great job. आप उसको great job के साथ उसको excel करेंगे. This is what I, being a teacher, मैं आपको assure कर सकती हूँ कि आप अगर सीखने वाले हैं तो फिर आप सीख जाएंगे. Definitely किसी भी चीज़ को करने के लिए will का होना ज़रूरी है. बाकी आप definitely, language is not something कि अगर आप interested नहीं है और फिर भी आप कहें कि नहीं, ऐसे मतलब हंसी मजाक में हो जाएगा, तो हंसी मजाक में ये चीज़ थोड़ी सी हमारे लिए फिर मुश्किल हो जाती है, ठीक है? तो इसके लिए we have voices, and then you will be having practice based exercises and worksheets. Students, जो सबसे important और interesting part होगा आपके लिए, that is going to be your exercises and your worksheets. I will provide you, for example, अगर एक मेरे पास mathematics का students है, वो कहेगा मैम मुझे तो English का बिल्कुल नो हाउ ही नहीं है, जैसे मुझे mathematics की नहीं है, definitely तो वो मुझसे पूछेगा कि मैम मैं उसको कैसे करूँ. तो for this purpose actually these practice exercises are going to be meant for all of you. आपको बताया जाएगा कि आपने वो exercises कैसे solve करनी है. Language की भी exercises होती हैं, right? So we will provide you exercises and worksheets that you people will have to solve, and definitely I will examine you people. मैं आप लोगों की presentations जब लिया करूँगी, I will examine you people that आप लोगों को कितनी comprehension है उसमें, right? अगर आप लोगों की comprehension में understanding होगी या कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे, लैकिंग एरियाज होंगे, वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग दोज एरियाज इन द क्लास. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी अ बिग डील एट ऑल, राइट? ओके, this was all about the main areas that we are going to cover about language, about grammar batch actually. Now let me present you another very important page before you people so that you can have an idea about that. Just give me a minute, please. All right. Let me share this page with you. So please confirm me, is it visible to all of you or not? Okay. I just want your confirmation so that I can have an idea about that. It's going to be this one. Yes. All right. ये स्टूडेंट्स काइंडली लेट मी नो, मुझे कंफर्म कीजिए ताकि मुझे आइडिया हो.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it
It is
visible to
visible.
you? Okay, okay, thank you very much. All right. So, in this course, particularly students, let me tell you, there might be a question in your minds that what are the key features and what after, joining this course, what are we going to able to do, right? With language actually, कि हमें हमें ऐसी क्या skills develop होंगी language की कि हम वाकई कह सकते हैं कि हाँ हमने कुछ इसमें सीखा है. So let me tell you about the key features of this course particularly. As you have seen that we are going to learn the basic grammar structures starting from the very scratch, that is parts of speech, right? First of all, you will be able to write professionally. Right now, students, we see. Okay, just tell me how many of you are very good in your English written expression. Though, it can be anything, it can be a short story, or if I say that Sabah is writing something about her, or Ikra is writing something about her, they can write anything. So just confirm me who thinks that we are good in writing. Yes, how many of you think that you people are good in writing? Please be confident and let me know. I would love to have your consent, please.
I'm little bit good, ma'am, in
Okay,
writing skills.
all right, Miss Sandilip is good, fine. Thank you very much. And who else? Yes, students, how many of you think that you people are good at writing? That you can express your thoughts in a very good manner? How many of you? Yes, girls, please. गर्ल्स तो शाय नहीं होती, गर्ल्स तो बड़ी टॉकेटिव होती हैं. वाई यू पीपल आर सो क्वाइट? Yes, students, please. I would love to, know about your, consents. Please let me know. How many of you are good? If you are not, no problem. Let me know. मुझे बताइए. Okay, Ikra is saying I'm not. Okay, Ikra, no, not at all a big deal. Okay, okay. Because your Ikra, your subjects is mathematics, right? आपका subjects mathematics है? I don't think, okay, Kiran, okay, fine. Oh, all right, Kiran, not a big deal at all. Ikra शायद, okay. Ikra, believe you me, अगर आप मुझसे maths का एक sum करवा लेना, तो probably मैं उसको fail कर लूँगी. Because I really don't have an idea कि mathematics वो school की पढ़ी हुई मुझे अब बिल्कुल भूल चुकी है. So, this is something it is related to your, no, like subject actually. Okay, we do have Josefa with us. Yes, Sir Josefa, would you please like to introduce? So please introduce yourself so that I can have an idea that what about your academic background, please? Okay, yes, Josefa. All right. Okay. 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 Fine. Okay. We have Miss Rabia with us. She's one of my students. Okay, Miss Rabia. Thank you very much. All right. No problem at all. ओके, आई मेक यू लर्न दैट हाउ टू राइट. मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि आप लोगों ने लिखना कैसे है, राइट? कुछ हम टॉपिक्स डिसाइड किया करेंगे, कुछ आप लोग अपने चॉइस के टॉपिक बताएंगे. आई विल गाइड यू पीपल दैट हाउ यू हैव टू मेक अ सेंटेंस, हाउ यू हैव टू मेक अ करेक्ट सेंटेंस. एंड आप लोग जहां वहां मिस्टेक्स करेंगे तो वो मिस्टेक्स क्यों आ रही हैं, राइट? वी विल प्रैक्टिस द थिंग्स एंड डेफिनेटली you will get to know about the right manner, right? Okay, ji. Coming towards the next point, you will be able to know the correct knowledge of grammar, which is often a major difficulty for learners. Students, you must be having an idea. आप सब लोगों के सिबलिंग्स भी होंगे, बहन भाई होते हैं, या अगर आप में से कोई मैरिड है, अगर आपके चिल्ड्रन हैं, आपको आइडिया होगा कि आजकल बच्चों को पढ़ाना इट इज़ क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. वाई? बिकॉज वी डू नॉट हैव द एप्ट नॉलेज ऑफ ग्रामर. हम जब इंग्लिश या कोई भी बुक लेके बैठते हैं, उर्दू और इस्लामियात के अलावा आई थिंक मैक्सिमम हमारा कोर्स इंग्लिश में होता है, ठीक है? सो हम कोई भी कोर्स जब लेके बैठते हैं तो दैट इज़ इन इंग्लिश एंड वी डू फाइंड डिफिकल्टी. हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा होता कि हम उसको कैसे कॉम्प्रिहेंड करें, बिकॉज वी being parents, we being teachers, or we being facilitators, we do not have an idea that how to deal with the things, right? So this is why actually we face problems. But in this course, definitely you will be able to know the correct knowledge of grammar. आपको tenses का proper use, active and passive voices का proper use सिखाया जाएगा, जिसके बाद definitely inshallah you will see a great deal of change in your writing skills, right? Okay, next is use parts of speech correctly. You will get to know what does it mean by a noun, What does it mean by a pronoun? Okay, yes, audience. Is there anyone from the audience who can tell me about parts of speech? How, many parts of speech are there in English language? Yes, girls, please, one by one, just drop your messages in the chat box so that I can, recall them with your names. मैं आपके names के साथ recall करूँगी कि हाँ मुझे सबा ने ये बताया है, मरियम ने ये बताया है, किरण ने ये कहा है. जी, please, hurry up, girls. Please, tell me randomly, no problem at all. Noun. Okay. Ikra has told me one major part of speech, the very first one, which is noun. Okay, good. And what else? Come on, जल्दी से बताते जाइए. No problem. अगर किसी का repeat भी हो जाता है, it's even fine. Okay, Kiran. Noun, pronoun, conjunction, interjection. Very good. Very good, Kiran. Well done. Next, जल्दी जल्दी से. Ikra Shahid. Excellent, Ikra. You आपको तो अच्छा खासा पता है. मैथमेटिक्स के साथ साथ आई थिंक आप इंग्लिश पढ़ती रही हैं अच्छी खासी, है ना? इकरा. ओके, एडजेक्टिव्स. ओके, ऑल राइट. किरण, एडवर्ब. एक्सेलेंट. मरियम, एडजेक्टिव्स. एक्सेलेंट मरियम. ओके, व्हाट एल्स? और क्या होता है पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच में? और क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं? Excellent, Ikra. Very good. Very good. I'm really happy that you people do have an idea. हम सबको पता है क्योंकि इंग्लिश बेसिक लेवल की हमने सबने पढ़ी होती है, ठीक है? So very good. Okay, Rabia, thank you very much. Yes, very good. Noun. Okay, thank you very much, audiences. You all of you have a very good knowledge about the basics. बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज है, आसानी होगी आपको लर्निंग करने में. ओके, लेट मी टेल यू, वी डू हैव 8 to 9 parts of speech, right? Sometimes it varies. We do have noun, we do have pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, interjection, and we do have conjunction as well, right, students? So it depends that how can any of you please tell me what does it mean by noun? Okay, if I say Kiran is a student of masters. Yes, in this sentence, can you please trace out noun? इस sentence में आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि noun कौन है? Kiran is the student of masters. Excellent, Ikra. Very good. Kiran. Yes. Okay, if I say she is doing her homework. So what do you think? She is doing her homework. इसमें क्या है? मैं तो नाम भी नहीं ले रही किसी का. तो इसमें कोई मुझे बताएगा? She is doing her homework. Okay. Oh, excellent, Mariam. Very good. She is pronoun. Very right. Very right, Ikra. She is pronoun. Okay. Miss Rabia and one more student, they have quoted homework. Fine. Homework as actually object. ठीक है? ये आपका object है. मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि object क्या होता है जिस चीज के बारे में हम बात करते हैं. ठीक है? प्रोनाउन क्या होता है? अगर आप किसी भी नाम की जगह किसी का रिप्लेस नाम नहीं लेते लेकिन एक पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच रिप्लेस कर देते हैं तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. ठीक है? सो शी और ही और दे, हिम, दीज ऑल आर प्रोनाउंस. डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज होती हैं, हम उनको कैटेगोरिकली डिटेल में स्टडी करेंगे. अच्छा, अब मुझे बताइए, इफ आई से शी इज प्लेइंग, शी इज प्लेइंग, लेट मी राइट इट down in the chat box. मैं chat box में आपको drop करती हूँ. She is playing. Yes. Excellent. Very good. Who is this? Playing verb. Kiran. Well done, Kiran. Very good, Mariam. Thank you very much. Playing is verb. Excellent job. Good job. Okay. Next आते हैं. If I say he sings beautifully. He sings beautifully. So please, in this sentence, what मुझे कोई बता सकता है कि इसमें से कौन सा पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है? वर्ब के बाद एक होता है, इसमें कौन सा है? मुझे बताइए. Beautifully. Well done. Excellent, Sabah. Yes. Kiran and Mariam, you have quoted right. आपने word बिल्कुल ठीक बताया, लेकिन सबा ने जो है ना अंदर की बात बता दिया और इकरा ने भी. Good job, Sabah and Ikra. Mariam and Kiran, you have quoted right word and they have quoted right part of speech actually. हमारे पास यहाँ पे Miss Rabia, हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्या है? She sings beautifully. She क्या हो गया हमारे पास? प्रोनाउन जो कि सब्जेक्ट भी है, सिंग्स क्या हो गया, वर्ब हो गई, ठीक है, ब्यूटिफुली, एडवर्ब, एक्सेलेंट। एडवर्ब क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, लेट मी टेल यू, एडवर्ब इज अ पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच व्हिच एड्स ऑन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मीनिंग टू द वर्ब। हमारे पास वर्ब क्या थी यहाँ पे, सिंग्स, और वो कैसा गाती है, ब्यूटिफुली गाती है, कि बहुत खूबसूरत तरीके से गाती है, तो वो एड वर्ब है। एड का मतलब ये एडिशन होता है ना, प्लस करना है ना, मैथमेटिक्स वालों को पता है कि एड का, वैसे तो हमें भी पता है, थोड़ी बहुत मैथ्स तो आती है हमें है, मैं आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा अंडर एस्टिमेट कर रही हूँ खुद को। ओके, एडिशन मीन्स, एडवर्ब मीन्स एडिशन, सो adverb means a kind of, you know, part of speech which actually adds on some meaning to the main verb. So it is very fine. Sings beautifully is adverb, right? Okay, let me tell you another example. If I say Eiffel Tower is quite tall. Eiffel Tower is quite tall. Let me drop it here. Okay, now please tell me. Who will tell me? कौन सा पार्ट ऑफ, नेक्स्ट हम एक स्टेप नेक्स्ट जा रहे हैं ना, तो नेक्स्ट मुझे पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच बताइए कौन सा है यहाँ पे। आईफिल टॉवर, एक्सेलेंट, वेल डन मरियम, गुड। यस, एडजेक्टिव, मिस संदलीप, वेरी राइट, गुड जॉब, ठीक हो गया। आईफिल टॉवर ये क्या है हमारे पास, प्रॉपर नाउन है, ठीक है। प्रॉपर नाउन्स वो होते हैं जिनके अलावा और कोई, कराची प्रॉपर नाउन है, कराची के अलावा और कोई सिटी पाकिस्तान में कराची नहीं है, ठीक है। इस्लामाबाद इज अ प्रॉपर नाउन, कायद आज़म इज प्रॉपर नाउन। एडजेक्टिव, and what is adjective? Tall, right? Adjective is basically a part of speech which describes the quality of something. You people are very right. Okay, let's move on to next one. If I say the cat is sitting under the table. The cat is sitting under the table. So please let me know. एक step next आइए जल्दी से. Come on girls, hurry up. Yes. Okay, conjunction. Excellent, excellent, Kiran. Good job. Ikra, excellent. Miss Sandaleep, excellent. Good job. Preposition, ठीक है? Okay, every one of you. Miss Rabia, आप भी. Excellent job. गर्ल्स, हमारे पास यहाँ पे preposition है under, right? preposition basically वो parts of speech होते हैं जो खुद का अपना कोई meaning नहीं रखते, लेकिन उनको जब तक हम sentence में fit नहीं करते, fix नहीं करते, तो वो sentence हमें proper meaning नहीं देता, ठीक है? So under is a preposition. Very good job. Okay, if I say she is playing with her brother. She is playing with her brother. Come on, tell me. One step ahead, one step forward. Come on, girls. Yes, Miss Rabia, very good. Preposition. Excellent, excellent, Miss Sandaleep. Conjunction. And what is a conjunction? Which word is a conjunction? With. Ikra, good. Kiran, well done. Yes. Okay, she is playing with her brother. With is basically conjunction. Okay, students, now what is conjunction? Conjunction is a part of speech which connects two ideas of a sentence, जो कि एक sentence का आपस में connect करने के लिए दरमियान में middle में use होते हैं, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Conjunction कहते हैं। आप लोगों ने ना physics में, इसमें I think chemistry में कुछ वो पढ़े भी होंगे कि हमारे पास वो barriers होते हैं, conjunctions होती हैं कुछ हमारे पास, इस point की point एक ही conjunction है B के साथ, this and that, right? So conjunction is all about connectivity, कि आप दो चीज़ों को connect किस तरह से करते हैं। उसमें हमारे पास coordinating conjunctions भी हैं, subordinating भी हैं. I will tell you in the detail. That's another debate. Language पे आपको command हासिल करने के लिए definitely आपको पता होना चाहिए कि वो क्या है, ठीक है? Okay जी. Okay, thank you very much. Excellent job all of you. I think हमारे parts of speech की overall review तो हमें यहीं पे मिल गया था. ठीक है, all right. Now moving on, girls. Let us see next point. You will be able to know about articles. Right, like you will learn that what articles are, what are their uses, why are they so much important, and अगर हम उनको correct position उनकी नहीं करते तो हमें क्या speech हमारी क्यों wrong consider की जाती है, या हमें examiner क्यों marks नहीं देता, right? We will get to know actually about the articles. Can any one of you please tell me what are articles? Articles क्या होते हैं? Like मुझे सिर्फ बता दीजिए. Excellent, Kiran, very good. A, and, the, or the. A, E, I, O, U, these are vowels actually. Okay, Miss Sandalip, you are very right about these letters, but these are vowels, not articles. Kiran has rightly quoted A, and the. A and an, they are indefinite articles. The is definite articles. I'll tell you, हम normally language में being a teacher हमें भी problem बहुत face करने को मिलता है कि हमें पता नहीं होता कि definite कहाँ लगाना है, indefinite कहाँ लगाते हैं हम, लाइक उसको रिकग्नाइज ही नहीं कर सकते, जिसकी वजह से हमारे मार्क्स रिडक्ट होते हैं, राइट. सो आई टेल यू इन डिटेल दैट व्हाट आर द करेक्ट यूजेज ऑफ आर्टिकल्स एक्चुअली. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, देन वी विल गेट टू नो अबाउट टेंसेज इन योर राइटिंग एंड स्पीच. यू विल गेट टू नो, अगर आप लोगों को अभी तक लग रहा था कि आप लोग प्रॉपरली डेफिनेटली आप लिखना चाहते हैं, बट यू डू नॉट नो हाउ टू पेन डाउन योर आइडियाज, यू डू नॉट नो दैट हाउ टू give a correct forms to the written expression, के written expression को आपने एक correct form कैसे देनी है, then I will tell you to make good use and to make a proper use of tenses. ठीक है, tense का मतलब होता है कि आप इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में एक बात करते हैं वक्त के हिसाब से, और वो बात आप बताते हैं कि हाँ ये वक्त, इस वक्त की ये बात थी और इसमें ये चीज़ें हो रही थी, ठीक है, इन अ प्रॉपर ऑर्डर. वैसे तो कोई रेंडमली लैंग्वेज है, कोई भी कैसे भी बोल सकते हैं, अपनी चॉइस है, बट इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज देन डेफिनेटली इट इज़ द बेसिक नीड दैट यू नीड टू लर्न tenses. Without tenses we cannot excel in English language. Tenses are the, these are the concerns of primary importance. आप कहीं भी जाते हैं, आप पाकिस्तान के किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाते हैं, इंटरनेशनल मूव करते हैं, until and unless you are able to have a command on tenses you cannot speak good English. आप इंग्लिश कभी भी अच्छी नहीं बोल सकते जब तक आपको टेंसेस पे कमांड नहीं होगी, बिकॉज ऐसे फिर वही बात है कि ये एक परिंदा होता है बगैर विदाउट फेदर्स. आप विदाउट विंग्स, विदाउट फेदर्स एक परिंदे को कर दें, वो उड़ तो नहीं सकता है, तो वो परिंदा ही. सो इज द केस विथ लैंग्वेज. इफ यू नो how to speak English but you do not know to proper the correct structure, then it's of no use, right? So better to skill yourselves. आप बेहतर ये है कि आप लोग उस चीज़ को सीखें. एक चीज़ जब हो सकती है, जब आप लोगों के पास इतनी इतनी like mashallah high degrees हैं, then why not English, why not language? Language is another subject, बिल्कुल एक different subject है जो कि सीखना चाहिए, ठीक है. So use tenses in writing and speech once again, and to form a grammatically correct sentence, the same point which I have told you people. And first learn and then teach as well. Very important point, students. Please tell me, audience, how many of you, मेरी audience में भी कितने लोग ऐसे हैं who are students and teachers at the same time? How many of you are teaching in schools, in colleges, at universities, or at home? If you are giving home tuitions, अगर आप लोग home tuitions दे रहे हैं तो कितने लोग ऐसे हैं like who want to give home tuitions but they do not have a command over English language, due to which they feel a kind of hesitancy? Yes, how many of you are giving home tuitions, or if you're teaching at college or university level, please let me know about that. Yes, girls, please. Okay, Mariam is teaching. That's good, Mariam. Okay. Kiran is a teacher. That's good, Kiran. Okay. And who else? Only 2 teachers we do have? Ikra. Okay, Ikra, that's great. Ikra is a teacher as well. Miss Sandalip, she has been running a school system and now she is teaching her kids. That's great, Miss Sandalip. Superb. Okay. All right. Fatima is definitely, for sure, Fatima is a teacher. She's getting training, and definitely all right. I'm very happy to know that all of you are teachers. Teaching profession itself is a great deal, that you're teaching something. If your subject is chemistry, physics, bio, or mathematics, but you want to communicate in English language, but you think that you cannot communicate in a proper way, then definitely there is some point, आप कहीं ना कहीं उस point पे थोड़ा feel करते हैं कि यार मैंने इतना कुछ मैंने पढ़ा भी है, मैंने इतनी मेरी डिग्री भी है, और I think वो आपका बहुत asset होता है. लेकिन as far as our system is concerned, our basic requirement is English language. We do not focus that how much qualified a person is. We only focus upon his or her spoken skills, that how good he is or she is in her or his communication manner, right? So students, the basic purpose which I want to communicate to people, that to improve your communication skills. And this is only possible if you learn the correct knowledge of English language. जब तक आपको English language का correct knowledge नहीं होगा, believe you me, मतलब आप लोग definitely running काम करने के लिए आप कुछ भी बोल लेंगे, कर लेंगे, लेकिन अगर एक चीज़ आप सीख के करते हैं ना, आपको कॉन्फिडेंस भी होता है, सेकंड आपको उस चीज़ पे कमांड भी होती है. यू कैन write this point in your CVs, right? You can write down this point in your curriculum vitae. आपके कहीं भी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करेंगे, आप कहीं भी किसी भी चीज़ के लिए अप्लाई करेंगे ना, आप ये एडिशनल पॉइंट साथ मेंशन करें कि वी हैव डन अ ग्रामर कोर्स, you know, and we have a command over teaching English grammar. आप वहाँ पे एज अ एडिशनल सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. इंग्लिश इट कैन ओनली बी लर्न थ्रू प्रैक्टिस. अगर आप इसको प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे, ये सब्जेक्ट कभी भी आपकी ग्रुप में नहीं आएगा. अगर प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, यू विल डू मार्वल्स. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई कैन अश्योर यू पीपल, बिकॉज जब इनिशियल लेवल पे इंसान होता है तो उसको कुछ पता नहीं होता, बट द विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम आप जब एक ट्रैक पे चल जाते हैं, बिलीव यू मी, देर आर मेनी साइंस टीचर्स हु स्पीक रियली वेल, हु स्पीक इन अ वेरी गुड मैनर, and they are actually science teachers, but definitely they do wrong, because we had a detailed introduction. Yes, Humaira, please. And we have another person with us who has just joined us, and she is, I guess, Aqsa Majid. Okay, no problem, Miss Rabia. Definitely, inshallah, we'll practice together. ठीक है? आपकी hesitation पे हम मिलके काम करेंगे हम सब. We'll work as a team, and I won't teach you as an instructor, but I'll teach you as a facilitator, right? मेरा basic purpose of this course actually is to make you people confident enough to speak, right? Because definitely it's a very short journey. We are going to be together just for 1 month. हम सिर्फ एक महीने के लिए साथ होंगे. So definitely my basic target or objective is to make you people speak and write in a confident way, and that is it. And inshallah we'll try our level best to meet our target. हम विल पावर से अपना टारगेट अचीव जितना मैक्सिमम होगा, होपफुली हम उसको करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. Yes, who else is there? We have Aksa with us, and we have another member, and she is Humaira. Yes, Humaira and Aksa. Yes, dears, I would love to have your introduction. Please introduce yourself so that we can, I can summarize the entire purpose of the day, and then we can, wind up our class, please. Yes, students. Aksa and Humaira. Yes, Aksa and Humaira. Please let me know about yourselves. मुझे बताइए about your academic background, about your qualification, and how do you get to know about this program, and what do you want to know actually, so that I can communicate. Yes, Aksa and Humaira. जी, Aksa and Humaira, am I audible to you? मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? Okay, Humaira is saying, Assalamu alaikum, walaikum assalam, Humaira. My name is Humaira Tahir, and I have done my MPhil in zoology, and I belong to MGR. Is it Muzaffargarh, if I'm not wrong, Humaira? Okay, that's great. That's superb. Okay, thank you very much, Humaira, for joining us today. I welcome you in online English learning batch, which is basically a grammar batch. Thank you very much for, sparing your time. And Aksa, please introduce yourself so that I can communicate to both of you. Okay, Aksa has left the meeting. All right, no problem. Okay, Humaira. So I think you just have joined, so let me tell you that this is basically English grammar course, and I am myself Nadra Safir. I am basically an English language instructor, plus I am an English lecturer, and I have been serving as a master teachers trainers as well, right? And this grammar course is particularly meant to improve your grammar skills, English grammar skills basically. Meanwhile, we'll be having some spoken sessions as well. Definitely, whenever I'll be assigning some grammar, topics to my students, definitely they will have to present those topics, right? So the basic purpose of this particular course is to make you people write the things in a very like formal and in a very official manner, right? The according to the demand of English language, the way it demands actually, right? Normally ऐसा होता है that we know that okay हमें English आती है, we know English, हम थोड़ा बहुत बोल भी लेते हैं, लिख भी लेते हैं, but actually we commit a lot of mistakes, right? Due to which definitely हमारे marks deduct होते हैं, चाहे वो कोई भी, like for example you have done MPhil, if you want to appear for any competitive examination like वो PPSC का है, FPSC का है, you will have to appear for English test as well. So until and unless you have a command over tenses, over voices, over your narrations and all that, you won't be able to attempt those papers or those portions actually. So you need to have a grip on English grammar, right? And moreover, I think there is another student who has just joined us, and she is Miss Aksa Rana. Yes, Miss Aksa, may I please know you? Would you please like to introduce yourself so that we can move ahead, so that we can wind up our class as well? Yes, Aksa. Please, dear, I would love to have your introduction. Mm-hmm. Aksa, can I have you? Let me share my screen with Aksa and the girl who has just joined. मैं आप लोगों के साथ लेआउट शेयर कर देती हूँ ताकि आप लोग इसको एक दफ़ा गो थ्रू करके फिर you can have an idea, okay? Let me share it with you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ji. It's here. Yes, I'm sure that my screen is visible to you, right? Okay, yes, we are here actually. This is online English grammar batch 2, right? And as you know that grammar is definitely a main key to learn English language. Or Miss Aksa and the other person who has just joined, she is Humaira. Okay, yes, Miss Aksa and Humaira. Let me tell you that in this course, basically, I will be teaching you people parts of speech, beginning from the very basic level. Then we'll learn about tenses, including all tenses of English language. Then we'll talk about narrations, that what actually is meant by narrations and how do we deal with narrations in English language. And then we will be working upon voices, active and passive voices, plus your practice-based exercise and worksheets which will be assigned to you people for your better understanding, जो आपको आपकी understanding के लिए provide की जाएंगी और आप लोग उसमें learning कर सकते हैं, right? Now, here we do have, this is for all of you students, ये सबके लिए है. Now, here you do have fee submission and more details. Definitely, this is what you people may have an idea about, right? Let me tell you that registration is open. Today was just introductory class. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to have a regular session, and your fee structure is also mentioned. Plus, your class timings are mentioned, which are very much important. Your class timings are 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 1 hour class only, and duration of the program is 1 month. एक महीना आपका ये प्रोग्राम चलेगा. इसके बाद you are basically definitely you will be attending the classes 6 days a week, right? आप एक वीक में 6 days क्लास अटेंड करेंगे. संडेज विल बी ऑफ ताकि हम मैक्सिमम पोर्शन जो है इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज का हम कवर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? इट विल बी अ लाइटर डोज फॉर यू डेफिनेटली. आई डोंट वांट टू बर्डनाइज यू पीपल, बट डेफिनेटली दैट दिस इज व्हाई आई हैव डिवाइडेड द कंटेंट इनटू 6 days. सो दैट्स व्हाई हम 5 days में उसको बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर बर्डनाइज ना करें. ठीक है? ऑल राइट. एंड मोर ओवर we do have WhatsApp group, right? Enroll candidates का WhatsApp group है जिसमें class link share किया जाएगा, and you people can join the link, and definitely आप class लेने के लिए आप उस link को join करेंगे और आपका जो enroll candidates हैं उनके group में जो है link share कर दिया जाएगा, right students? Okay, now I think this was all from my side. Just let me know if